Hello and welcome. This is Rafy. In this video, I'm very excited to show you how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest to generate free traffics and start earning passive income step by step. So whether you are going to promote Amazon affiliate links, you're going to promote ClickBank affiliate links, Digistore affiliate links, or Fiverr affiliate links, the process is going to be exactly similar on all of those platforms. So in some cases, some of the platforms require you to create a landing page to be able to promote their affiliate links, but some of the platforms allows us to promote affiliate links directly on Pinterest without any hassle, without needing a landing page. Fiverr affiliate program is one of them, so I'm going to be focused on Fiverr affiliate program. I'm going to show you the process how you can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Pinterest to generate commissions, and you can follow this exact process to promote any kind of affiliate links, but some will require you to generate a landing page and some doesn't. That's the thing. So to start promoting any affiliate links on Pinterest, basically you have to create an account on Pinterest, but make sure you are creating a business account. So I have created this business account a few minutes ago, and I believe this is a very simple process and you'll be able to do that. This is why I'm skipping this part. But if you need my help, please let me know by commenting below. I'll show you how to create a business account on Pinterest completely free of cost. So let's move on. First thing, you need a Pinterest business account, and then you need an affiliate product to promote. So whenever you are willing to promote an affiliate product, if you want to get sales, actual sales, please choose a product which is really good. So in this case, I'm going to take you to Fiverr, and after that, as we are going to promote affiliate links on Pinterest, think about that. What kind of people actually visits Pinterest mostly? So if you think about Pinterest's algorithm or the structure, people who loves design stuff, craft stuff, they basically visit Pinterest, and then from there they generate design ideas, they purchase some products and things like that. So I'd love to go with promoting logo design as of now. As you can see here, I'm saying logo design, but you can promote t-shirt design, you can promote website design template, you can promote any other service that has something to do with design thing, right? It will convert better. So many other products also gets converted, like you can promote health products, you can promote, let's say, any other kind of products that converts, but design products really works best on Pinterest. So I'm going to choose logo design as an example, but you can choose any other graphic design related product that will convert really good on Pinterest. After coming into this page, make sure you are choosing a very good product. Even if you are promoting it from Fiverr, choose a very good service. If you are promoting something from ClickBank, choose a very good service, so that whenever you will redirect any visitor to your affiliate links, they will be highly likely to be converted. And if you promote a bad product, there is no way you will generate any sales. So how to choose a good product? So make sure you are taking a look at the ratings. As you can see here, this one is 5-star rating. This is a very good product. So I already promoted this one. And this one 4.8 star. This is a comparatively good service that you can promote. And if you just take a look, this service 4.9 star and already does have 1K plus reviews. That means this is a highly demanding gig that people really interested in this service. So if I open this up, you'll be able to see more details. Just take a look, 63 orders in QE. That means this lady is currently working with 63 different clients on these projects. It's a huge demand. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start promoting this service. So let's say I'm going to select the image, then I'm going to download the image, which is the first step. On Pinterest, you need good image. So I'm going to save the image, and I'm going to give it a name like minimal logo design. So let's click on save, and I actually have already downloaded this image earlier, so it is showing me duplicated, but let me show you the process. I'm going to check this one again and replace. All right, so if you just take a look at the name that I have provided here for this thing or these images, minimal logo design idea, many people will search on Pinterest with this keyword, minimal logo design idea, so that my image, my posts will have most potentiality or opportunities to be ranked higher and go in front of people, so that they will click, read the details, and then most likely they're going to visit my affiliate link, and if they make a purchase, I'm going to earn commission. So this is how it works. So I've downloaded 2 of the images. So you can download as many images as you want, and make sure you are choosing good image. This one is nice, and if you just take a look, this one is nice basically, and you're gonna find many of the design. So these are our, let's say, clients images, so these are not allowed to promote. So what are you going to do after downloading image or creating any image file by using Canva or anything? So we have to generate our affiliate link for this gig. So if we directly go and promote this link, and if someone visits through this link that we have shared, and if someone make any purchase, we are not going to earn anything. Why? Because this link is not our affiliate link. So to make it our affiliate link, we have to copy this, and after that we have to sign into our affiliate account. So I'm going to my affiliate account. I'll add Fiverr affiliate links into the video description, so that if you're interested, you can sign in. And if you, as you can see here, I'm earning a decent amount here. As you can see, by this month I was able to earn $991. And if you just take a look, so far I have been paid $3,975, and now is in my balance I have got $2,072, which is a good amount, I believe. So after coming into the affiliate account, simply you have to generate your affiliate URL. So let's go to marketing and tools, then click on default and deep links, and then you have to put the link that you just copied from here. So let's copy it again from here, copy, and go back here, and from landing page URL you have to paste the link that you copied of the gig and hit enter. It will generate your affiliate links. Now you can copy the Fiverr CPA, Fiverr hybrid, or any other option, what goes best for you. So I chose both of them. So Fiverr CPA, I am going to, and if you just notice, this is a very long link. So after getting your actual affiliate link, it's time to short this link by using bit.ly or any other link shortener. So bit.ly is really I feel like it's good service. So I'm going to click on create new, and it's free to use. You can basically generate 10,000 links, I think, for free. So let me click on create, and it is going to generate a short link here, as you can see. So now I'm going to copy this link from here, copy, and after that we are going back to our Pinterest account, and then we're going to click on create now, and then create pin, and then create new, and after that we have to upload our image. So let's click on upload our image that we just downloaded. So remember, I downloaded this image with this name, minimal logo designs. So I'm going to click on open, and here we go, we have got this image downloaded, but it's not looking good. So in this case I'm going to make some change. Let's say photo P, and I'm going to open from computer, and I'm going to make some changes. Basically I'm going to crop this because it is not looking good on Pinterest the way we have got it. So if I upload this image, it is going to look really nice on Pinterest, I believe. So let me hit Control Save or Control S, and now if I take it back to Pinterest, I'm going to edit this one. So let me simply reload this page, and let's click on create pin, and I'm going to upload, yep, here we go, this logo, and let's click on open, and just take a look. This is looking nice now, and now we have got our image. It's time to get our affiliate link. So I'm going to copy this affiliate link that we generated, and make sure you're putting it in this link field. After that, for board, you can create new board. So as I have already created a logo design ideas board, I'm going to choose this board. But if you want, you can basically create a new board. Let's say you're going to promote website templates. So you have to type out website templates here, and inside boards you can put templates one, let's say. Inside boards you'll be able to upload similar kind of images. Let's say if you are promoting logo design ideas, so you can basically add logo designs inside this board, so that people will visit the board and they will get many of the logo design ideas. All right, and after that I'm going to go back to the gig, and I'm going to copy the title as it is, no problem at all with this. And let's go back again to the gig, and we're going to get some let's say details from here. You are welcome to my business logo design gig. If you're looking for creative brand, you come to the right spot. So I'm just going to get this one. It's totally fine because people usually simply clicks without reading, and you can keep this none. All right, and after that, this is an important field, the tag field. You have to add some tags. So I'm going to type out logo design and choose logo design trends, which is really important because these are the keywords people are using on Pinterest to get ideas about logo designs. So we want to use the most popular tags. Logo design for business, if it is available. Logo design, okay, business logo design, then minimal logo. All right, so that's fine. So you have to choose the tags that goes well with your post. All right, so we're done with every steps. We have added our affiliate link, which is really important. Don't forget about that. And then if you want, you can basically schedule this post. So one thing that I'd like to mention here, whenever you are promoting any affiliate link on Pinterest, please make sure you are going slow. Every day, promote only maximum 10 posts per day, and while you are promoting the links, maximum 3 posts in a row, so that you will be able to keep your account safe and active. All right, so now you can schedule the post. Let's say you are thinking about getting into, let's say, spend 2 hours 3 hours in a row, so you can basically schedule post to post them later, so your account will be safe. So now I want to post this Pinterest post now, so it's time to click on publish, and it is going to publish on Pinterest, and it is going to be available for anyone to visit. Just take a look, it is looking nice. If someone visits this post, if someone clicks here, they are going to visit this exact gig on Fiverr, which is containing our affiliate link here. And if someone register for the first time on Fiverr, if someone hired this gig, we're going to get commissions. And one more interesting thing, if someone doesn't love or like this logo or this seller for some reason, if they visits let's say Fiverr for and chose any other gig of logo design, any other gig of writing and translation services within the next 30 days, will be earning commissions for referring this specific seller or buyer. All right, so this is a great thing, and it is mostly works on almost all of the affiliate products. So if you are directing any customer to any of these affiliate products, and if they don't purchase on the first day, but if they purchase it after, let's say, 20 or 25 day, or on every other platform that does have their specific requirements, you are going to earn commissions. So this is a fun thing. So this is basically how you have to promote affiliate links on Pinterest. And please, before I wrap up the video, I'd love to warn you about something. To keep your account safe, please go slow, but make sure you are posting at least 10 posts per day to see results, and don't expect results to come like you are starting today and you're going to get the result tomorrow. Please don't expect this. This is not going to work. So it requires consistency, and if you work at least 2 months, if you post every day 10 different posts on Pinterest to promote affiliate links, if you are not getting results, come back to me and ask why it is not working. Then I'll review your account. Otherwise, please don't complain ever. If you don't put effort, don't expect results. All right, so as you can see here, I am making money because I am putting some effort. So you have to do so to generate commissions, and there's no rocket science about this stuff like I'm hiding something or things like that. The things I'm doing is really basic. I'm being able to generate commissions, and the reason is I am putting effort, you are not. That's the difference. So I hope you'll be able to use the process that I have shown in this video, and I believe you have found this video helpful, and I believe you'll be able to generate commissions. I'm going to attach all the other affiliate links, let's say my Fiverr affiliate link, into the video description. I'll add more details about Fiverr affiliate program and other affiliate things into the video description. If you want, you can learn from them as well. So thank you so much for watching this long. If you have got any question, please don't hesitate to ask me by commenting below, and I wish you all the very best. Please take effort, put effort, and become successful. I have to see your success stories in Facebook. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.